create a pop-up form on WordPress. Here, like you can pop up, pop up a form and ask for the email address and the name from the users. Now to do that, make sure you have these three plugins include. First, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like, so you don't waste your time. For example, I go to my website now, visit my site, and then I click this link, and it's going to appear like this, name and email, and then you can also modify it to look better. I'm just starting to build my website, so you can modify and make it look better. Let's see how to do it. So first, what you do is you have to install 3 add-ons for that. First one is WP forms. Usually it comes now it's coming by default. I just got my plan yesterday and I got it by default, right? And then you have to make sure you downloading this Elementor, also very helpful if you have it. Then Popup maker, then Popup maker, WP forms. Those are the 2 things actually. Yes. Now we can go ahead and create our Popup form. So I go to WP forms, and then here I have created my one. So if you are creating as a new, I think you will see that create a page or something like here. Then once you go here, you will see a page like this. Okay, you can actually it's right here. Where is my WP? Yeah, you can see add new. So if I select add new, if I select okay, let me actually select it. Okay, if I select add new, I'm gonna get this form like this. Blank form mean you start from scratch. Use template mean you're gonna have a simple template for the contact form and stuff. Use sign up form. It's also a simple form. Actually, let's try using this. Okay, I'm gonna use this use template newsletter sign up form. Okay, so initially it appears like this: name, email, and you have 2 space for the name and then email and stuff like that. First you have to do a little bit modification of this, and here name is if you click symbol, it's just 1 space. When you are doing this newsletter sign up, the more simple is better. So I'm just going to put it as name, email, and also instead of having the name on the top, I'm going to remove it and put it inside. Like if you see my website I show you. So when I click, you can see I don't have a name on top, I don't have email on top, I have it inside like this, and once a person types something, it's going to disappear. So to make this one like that, what you have to do is you have to create hide label. So once you click hide label, the name is hidden, general. Yeah, so you have a successfully hide label. Then look at advanced, and this is a placeholder. So if you type name here, it's going to be the one that's going to be showing inside. So name right here, placeholder. And if you want to do the same for the email, you click email here, so you will see the email, and then advanced, hide label, and in the placeholder you type email. Okay, so we have created our name and the email. That's basically it. Like there's no other setting we have to do. So these are the 2 things we need, and we have it. The next thing what you have to do is you go make sure you save this one. Okay, it say my thing is expired, but it's okay, you know. I go back since I already have it. So I go back and then I go to pop-up maker, and in the pop-up maker you have to create new pop-up. Okay, let's actually create new pop-up. Create new pop-up, name it whatever you want. Let's say newsletter, something like that. It doesn't matter what you name because this is not gonna appear screen, but this is the one you had add, like add forms, and then you click like whatever you created, it's going to be right here. So if you click this one, that's the one we created over there before. So this is the one that's going to pop up, add form. And then the next thing we had to do is add new trigger, click to open, and don't select this, because if you select this one, the user can only click one and open. Once he closes, he cannot open again. So you don't want that. So uncheck this one, add, and add again, and that's it. Now if you click open, you will get this one, right? You get this one, and I want to use Elementor. Like if you have Elementor, it's become symbol. So I click my, actually I click my pages, my post maybe, yeah. And here I go to, oh no, not posts. Let's see, there's a, yeah, pages. So here pages, I have about page and all the stuff. I want to go to my home page, and I edit with my Elementor. So what has to happen is, like when I click, I want the, like I want it, like you can see here, when I click this one, this one appear, right? So I want the user to click this one, and this one I want the pop-up screen. So to get that one, what you do, I click this one here. You have to make sure you have Elementor to do that. So once I click this one, I go to advanced and then CS classes. So you copy this one, you copy the one, you know, I copied from the pop-up maker. I can show it one more time so you can see it. So I got like a pop-up maker. Where's that? Yeah, it's here. And here I have created this. This is the one live right now because I didn't publish this one yet. So I click this one, and here I have this. So here if I click to open, I get this one, right? This thing, this is the one I'm talking about. So I copy this one and paste it right here, CSS class, paste it, and that's it. Once you have done that, and serve it here, make sure you click update on the bottom. Once you update it, you are good to go. Now you can have a pop-up screen like that. And that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.